See it here? Police are work like a... Say police are work like not doing the park. No JUTC and like a joke. See it here? Police are work. Police are load bus.
Don't overload it, door.
Yeah, man. Police are work. Like police not work. Brother, watch it. Taxi, yo, taxi strike and take a joke. Yeah, man. See that? Police are load bus now. So police are work. Fuck her, you know. Do the work.
The Jamaican police has been aiding students and other commuters in the Duane Park area. The students were left stranded after the Jamaican Urban Transit Company, or JUTC, employees initiated a strike. The employees went on strike after 2 drivers were shot and killed in 2 separate shooting incidents. Reports are that one JUTC employee was killed in the Rockfort area in East Kingston last night. The other was reportedly killed in Oxford Road in St. Andrew. I want to express my condolences to the family of both drivers that were shot and killed. There is also a taxi driver that lost his life last night in the Washington Boulevard area. Condolences to his family too. Rest in peace to all 3 of you. So there's some new information that just surfaced while I was making this video. There's an update from the Jamaican Observer, and it says JUTC bus driver accused of killing taxi operator surrenders. JUTC bus driver accused of killing taxi operator in St. Andrew last night is now in police custody. The JCF said he surrendered to the police this morning. The bus driver, whose identity has not been released, allegedly stabbed 37-year-old driver Aquino Britton, otherwise called Bubinile, several times, killing him. According to the police, Britton was driving a Toyota Issa motor car along Washington Boulevard in Kingston 20 about 6:45 p.m. yesterday when he allegedly got into an altercation with the JUTC bus driver. The police said the situation escalated and a knife was brought into play. Britton was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. The incident has caused Britton colleagues who plied the Duane Park to Halfway Tree Road to withdraw their services. So it is confirmed by the Jamaica Observer that it is a JUTC bus driver that is accused of killing the taxi driver. So I don't know how far this go and what it is. Hope it's not a war between the bus drivers and the taxi drivers. Anyway, I want you to get in the comment and tell me what you think about this. If you have any information that can support, in the comment section, tell us. And if you haven't liked and followed the page, please like and follow the page. Thank you.